Looking good, looking good. And that's gonna be it, guys. Let's quickly show off these beautiful Spec-D headlights. Comes with some little booty connectors. And then here is the driver headlight in all of its glory. So you've got your high beam, your projector, low beam, halo, turn signal, which is going to use your old traditional turn signal from the factory headlights. Then you've got two little LEDs right there, and then a nice little LED bar right there. Passenger headlight is underneath, and then it doesn't come with anything else included. You got the poor instructions, I'll admit, and then the butt connectors, and then you've got all this wiring fun and goodness on the back. But I have prepared, I already have a generous accumulation of wire connectors, so I'm going to be putting these to use instead of the butt connectors. But let's go ahead and head out to Shamu, and we'll start throwing these in, getting everything wired up, spliced into the factory system, make sure it works, and then we'll be ready to drive at night. We're going to be starting with the passenger headlight right now. Before we get started, real quick, I just want to, preface with this. I will not be using T-taps in this. However, I highly recommend that if you do this, to run out and purchase a little set of T-taps. Get them at AutoZone or Advance, just a couple bucks for like a pack of 4, something like that. But what I would recommend doing with these is all of your accessory wires for the new Halo headlights. Run your accessory wires, whether that be the white or the black, from this. Run them into here, and then your wire that you're going to be tapping into from the factory light, use this. If you're not familiar with T-taps, just real quickly, one-handed. So this section right here, you're going to put your wire you're tapping into right through there, and then you're going to close it up like that around the wire. Make sure it's nice and good. And then other end, you'll put your other wires into, crimp it down, and then, but you'll get it pushed in all the way like that. It'll be making contact, and yeah. So that's what I recommend using if you're doing this project. I, however, am going to be redoing all of the wiring at some point, eventually. So I didn't really care, but I did actually use these for another light project, which you'll see in the future. But anyway, back to the video. First things first, make sure you've got a decent working area. I'm going to try and utilize the foam as much as I can, for as long as I can. Okay, we're just going to do it like this. That way we can kind of flip it over to here. And what all those go to, you've got your 2 LED halos right here. So that's going to be your bottommost set right here. And then you've got your 2 little LEDs right there, which is going to be your one right above the high beam. And then you've got that last set, which is tied in, no it's not, alright, which is for this bar right up here. And all of those are going to tie into our black factory plug, which is for our turn signal. So the black, the neutral, for each of these is going to tie into the black for the turn signal. and then the white, the hot, positive for all three of those is going to tie into the green with the white band on the passenger side, and then for the driver's side it is the green with the orange band. So what we're going to do is make a little room. We're going to cut the wire, and then we are going to splice in all three of these to each one of these that it needs to go to. So I'm going to get you guys in a little closer. We're going to start cutting, splicing, and then we're going to test it out, make sure it works, and we'll keep going from there. So what I'm going to do now, for a very crude test mock-up to make sure it actually works the way it should, I'm going to take all the whites, the positive, the hot, take all those, splice it into the green with the white, and then all the blacks, splice it into the black wire. And I'm just going to wrap them around each other. Then I'll turn the key, make sure it works, show you guys that, and then I'll go ahead, get my wire connectors, connect them up, and we'll keep going. So like I said, we're going to take the white from each of these and splice it in to the green with the white, and then all the black into the black. Alright, now that we got those bunched up all jank-like, we're going to turn the headlight up, just so it's up out of the way. Make sure neither strand touches itself for each other, so make sure they're separated. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn the key, and then we'll make sure that the headlight works and all the accessory bulbs, and then we'll go from there. And that is just the accessories right now. So if I plug in the main real quick, and with that plugged in, we've got our projector headlight, got our LEDs, our halos. She is looking good. So we'll go ahead, cut it back off. We'll undo all of this chaos, and then go ahead and get that all wired up permanently, throw it in place. Got bolts and little brackets right here, and then we'll do the driver's side, and then she'll be ready for the road. Now, before I secure any of that, I'm just cut it back on real quick, make sure it's all good, then we'll crimp it down. second. Grab a turn signal bulb. And on the back, you'll notice there was the remove sticker. Just gonna pull that off. Turn signal bulb. Fix it into place. We can go ahead and plug it in. Make sure everything's plugged in and staying plugged in. Then we can peel back on some of this film to get our plastic brackets exposed. There we go. This all snapped up into place. And one last one. Right up inside, little fender right here. And actually, if you were to be reattaching your bumper, this is what will go to that inner edge towards the fender of the bumper, but not putting it back on. So, and with that, that is one headlight done, wired, and installed. I'm gonna wait till both are in to do a full reveal. So let's go ahead and jump over to the driver's side. Like the passenger side, I'm gonna do the driver's side very similar. Rubber band off our mains. Go ahead, get it unwound from the rest, and we'll kind of tuck it off to the side out of the way. We've got our negatives. And we've got our positives, our whites, our hot. Black light connector for the turn signal. Black wire is our ground, our neutral, whichever. And then the green wire with the orange chaser, orange band, is going to be what we're cutting into for power. And this one is a little extra length compared to the passenger side. So I'm going to be taking advantage of that. That way this is a little easier on myself. Alright, I know she's a little noisy, so it'll be hard to hear, but... Woo! Let's go ahead and cut them on. There she is. And then if I turn it to just the running lights, we will have just the accessory lights with the halos. Looking good, looking good. And that's gonna be it, guys.